What's going on, YouTube? This is Jordan's Playtime TV. See, Puma? Me and baby girl out here walking. We've been walking for about an hour. I'm sweating. She riding. Say hey. She done had some snacks. Y'all, if this video, look, I sound so Texan. I'm like, y'all, if this video seem a little rocky, it's because I'm holding it with my arm. I don't have my selfie stick, and I'm trying to get some footage. So this is just what it is. So me and baby girl walking. We walking. She's on her smart trike. Walking around the neighborhood. She just enjoying life. Just so relaxed. She hasn't been crying. She done had her snacks. She done had some water. Jordan, say hey, YouTube. Hey, YouTube. I promise to record better footage next time. We just out here walking. Hurry up and get back home. Jordan. Hey, Jordan. Say hey. Don't worry, guys. Look, she's safe. Hold on, Mama. Oh, you want the phone? You want the phone? Mommy recording you. Mommy recording you. You getting upset? Oh, she getting upset. Don't get upset, Mama. We almost at home. Look. Tell them bye-bye.